this is mine. This one's Stu's. This one's Ronnie's, and this one is just a spare one. And we have to figure out which one's gonna be the best. I tested mine and it's pretty good, so I'm gonna stay with my airplane. What do you think is gonna be better? You still that's Stu thinks is I think as well. Let's get into it. Know the name of it, bro. And plane number 4, it's a fat plane.
Under my hair, the rain can't follow us, 'cause we are safe there. We are girls who.
First place, my plane. I knew it, I just knew it. Second place, that was Stu's plane. It was good. Then third place was the fat plane, and fourth was Ronnie's jet.
It was heavy.
Yeah, it was very heavy. Subscribe and like this video. Comment down below what videos should we do next.
And also subscribe to our channel. That's the new thing we're gonna do.